Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option on how to make a mouse pointer smaller in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So when we have connected our physical mouse accessory, where to look for options for this accessory? So settings first, then we're looking for general management options menu. Next we need to scroll to mouse and trackpad options. And here we have pointer size and color. So, as you can see here, we can change the color of our pointer, and also we can change the size. We have a pretty wide range of sizes, as you can see. It's not exactly a slider, but a few settings, as you can see here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.